Today it's just a quick pie of tea with jam. Another option is to use jam. And I will remind you of my favorite way to cook a pie for mastic dough so that the filling is exactly in the middle and everything is baked perfectly. Because how many times I share, for many it is a discovery. So, break 1 egg into a bowl, add sugar 40 grams, mix. Pour in 50 ml milk, vegetable oil 40 ml, a pinch of salt, vanilla. Stir. Measure 100 g of flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder, mix. Add flour with baking powder to the dough. The dough is ready. We take a small form, I have this, 28 cm by 12 c, if round, then 18 centimeters in diameter. Cover with baking paper, pour half of the dough and put in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. At 180 degrees, we take it out, put jam, what we have. I have apple jam. Pour the remaining dough into the oven for another 25 to 30 minutes. Take the pie out of the mold, sprinkle with powdered sugar. Today I cut the pie hot, you can let it cool a little, of course. Serve with tea. The pie is small, I cooked it small today, it was not necessary. But if you need a large one, so feel free to multiply everything by 2 to get a pie for a regular mold with a diameter of 22 c. If you like the recipe, don't forget to leave a smiling emoji in the comments. It's not difficult for you, but I'm extremely pleased to see your reaction, and I wish you a great mood, inspiration in the kitchen and, of course, a pleasant tea party. Cook with love and be healthy. Bye-bye.